In light of the recent judgment by the Supreme Court of India in W. Kujur versus State of Jharkhand case, the District Legal Service Authority of West Jaintia Hills District organized a panel discussion yesterday. The discussion was attended by N.A. Khan, District and Sessions Judge of West Jaintia Hills, A. Thankyou, Special Judge Pokso, B. Majao, Secretary of DLSA and representative from the Police Department, among others. During the discussion, Khan highlighted the discrepancies found by the Supreme Court in the filing of charge sheets, leading to the issuance of guidelines that must be followed by all police stations nationwide.
The Honorable Supreme Court found a lot of discrepancies in the filing of the charge sheet. So the Supreme Court has issued a guideline which needs to be followed by all the police stations across the country. Now the guidelines was that the final report, which is filed by the police under section 173, should contain all the informations, the name of the parties, the nature of informations, and where the offence was committed,